Hello everyone. In last lecture we have seen what is a computer. In that we have seen a computer is a machine, use of computers. Like now in this lecture we are going to see different parts of a computer. So what are the different parts of computer? First, monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, printer and speaker. So let's see the first part of a computer. Monitor. The monitor look like a TV screen, means it look like a TV screen. You can see the flat screen here. It is also called a VDU, means visual display unit. मतलब we can see everything on the screen visually because it shows whatever we writing using the keyboard. Means whatever we are typing with the help of keyboard, it will display on the monitor. We can see cartoon films and movies on it. So we have now next the second part of computer is the keyboard. The keyboard has many keys on it. Whatever we type using the keyboard, it will appear on the monitor. So the different types of keys is the number keys. The number keys is used for to write number. Next, the letter keys are used to write words and sentences. Spacebar keys. The spacebar is used to put spaces between letters or words. Means whatever we are going to write on the computer, if you want to put some space, then we have to use the spacebar keys. The enter key. Enter key is used to go to the next lines. Means if you want to go to next line, we have to press enter key. The caps lock key and shift key is used to type in capital letter. Means if you want to type letter in a capital, then we have to press the caps lock key and or shift key. The shift key is also used to type the option given at the top of the particular key. The cursor key. The cursor key are used to move the cursor up or down a line and to the left or right of the lines. Means you can see on that screen now the cursor is moving left side, the cursor is moving right side, the cursor is moving up, the cursor is moving down. Next, the delete key. The delete key is used to erase a character to the right of the cursor. Means if you want to delete something, then we have to press the delete key. Now we can see in the picture, here is the first one, letter key. So where are the letter keys? Letter keys are here. Next, where are the backspace key and delete key? The backspace key is here and delete key is the here. Now where are the number keys? Number keys are here. See, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So these are the number keys. Now next, where is the caps lock key? The caps lock key is here. Now next, where is the shift key? Shift key is one is here and another one is here. So in keyboard there are two shift keys. So now next, where is the spacebar key? Spacebar key is the biggest button on the keyboard that we are using for to put a space in character or a in line. Where are the cursor keys? These are the four cursor keys. Where are the enter keys? There are also two enter keys on the computer, on the keyboard. So these are the two enter key. What is the use of enter key? Enter key is used to go to the next line. So now next we are going to see the mouse. So you can see the picture on the screen. The mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on. It is to kept and moved on the mouse pad. Means you can see this first picture, you can see the second picture. This is the right button and this is the left button. So what is the mouse pointer? The mouse is used to point to place on screen. So you can see it is also used to move from one place to another on the screen. Means with the help of the mouse, if you clicking on something and selecting, so dragging, we can move that particular icon or any folder from one place to another place on the screen. So now next, CPU. You can see the picture of CPU. What is a CPU? It is a control processing unit. So means this unit is controlling all the computer. So the CPU is the most important part of the computer. Why it is the most important part of the computer? Because it runs the computer, means whatever functions happen, that is because of only this CPU. It is also called as a brain of computer. Now next, the printer. You can see the picture of printer. Printer is used to print on a paper. It prints whatever you type using keyboard. It also prints a picture. You have seen a printer in our school. So if you type something on the using keyboard on the screen, and if you want that print, we can get the print on the printer. So now next, the last one, this is the speaker. So what is the use of speaker? Speaker are used to listen music, means we can use for it to listen the music. If you play some movies on our screen, then how the voice will come, or how we listen the voice with the help of speakers. So thank you bachcho. So now homework for you, write down the different types, name only of computer, means you have to write the 6 different parts of the computer. Write down the next. Second question is the write down the information of monitor and keyboard. You have to write only the information of monitor and keyboard. Now third question is for you, collect the information of desktop. In that, start button, icon, taskbar, etc. from Google. Thank you.